In a case that had many fearing the worst, a peaceful resolution to the search for Brenna Swindell.
Obviously, that's the very best outcome.
The daughter of former UT baseball player Greg Swindell found safe in a car in Oregon early Tuesday with her ex, Morgan Guidry, who had a warrant for an assault on her.
She was doing exactly what she knew she needed to do to protect herself.
Shelley Egger, a local attorney who represents domestic violence survivors, says despite statements from police up there,
it seems like she was here on her own accord.
The mother of three was likely in fear.
To believe that someone would just pick up and walk away from everything and be in that situation in a totally voluntary way, that there obviously is a power and control dynamic there that's underlying those decisions.
All this coming 7 weeks after a brutal attack at an apartment on Bluff Springs Road in Austin. Travis County Sheriff's deputies were called there July 7th, according to court documents, after Swindell says she had been strangled multiple times by Guidry. Then he grabbed her and slammed her head onto the floor, which caused a head injury. She says she believed Guidry was going to kill her.
It was pretty bad. It had all of the hallmarks of things that we look for in a really dangerous situation, the strangulation attempt, using a firearm.
Detectives say Swindell ran for the door as Guidry was grabbing his rifle. She knocked the box of ammunition over to make it harder for him to find the correct bullets.
That's safety planning. That's someone who has been in that situation before and has thought about, how do I get out of here alive?
But when cops arrived, Guidry and the rifle were gone. It was more than 6 weeks after deputies responded that Swindell told cops she was ready to press charges and a warrant was issued. That was just 2 days before Swindell and Guidry disappeared. Egger says that is likely no coincidence.
Domestic violence is all about power and control. And when they feel that sort of slipping away, that's when things get to this point.
Under Texas law, the Travis County Sheriff's Office likely could have charged Guidry with assault much sooner.
The law does allow for charges to be filed without a survivor's participation and cooperation.
But Egger says there are situations where that may not be the safest thing for a survivor.
The law, although it has a protective effect, it was not designed to protect anyone. It was designed to criminalize things and to punish people who break the law. And so you have to sort of separate that out from what's best to protect someone.